Hi, my name is Mark Anthony Galang, a caregiving student. Today I will demonstrate how to do a bed padding. This is our patient for today. First, check the patient's chart on a doctor's order. Next, gather all the materials that we need such as paper, basin, mild soap, no-rinse shampoo, towels, towelette, cotton balls, then vital signs kit. Prepare for a proper hand washing. Wear a PPE. Introduce yourself to the patient and check the vital signs. Next, ilagay ang towel sa ibabaw. Ibaba yung top sheet hanggang hita. Kumuha ng towel ulit. Kumuha ng rubber sheet. Then angat si patient. Then pulupot ang towel kay patient. Kumuha ng kelly pad. Kumuha ng towelette, angat ulit si patient. Then kumuha ulit ng towelette, ilalagay sa noo. Then dalawang bulak sa tenga. Next, check natin yung ulo ni patient kung may dandruff or head blast. Kung wala naman, proceed na tayo sa wetting. Next, wetting, then shampoo, then rinsing. Next, shampoo ulit ng konti para i-massage yung ulo ni patient para yung blood circulation. Then rinsing. Next, pigain natin yung buhok ni patient. Then punasan ng towel yung buhok para matuyo yung buhok. Then alisin yung towelette. Alisin yung bulak. Alisin yung kelly pad, angat si patient. Alisin yung rubber sheet. Alisin yung towelette. Then alisin yung towel. Lagyan ulit ng towel si patient. Then kumuha ng dalawang bulak. Basain. Pigain. Inner outer canthus discard. Inner outer canthus discard. Kumuha ng towel, basain. Gumawa ng rectangular mean. Yan, gumawa ng pattern na S then C. S then C. Rinsing. Gumawa ng rectangular mean ulit. Then punasan. S then C. Rinsing. S, then C. At ulitin ang mga hakbang sa kabila ng bahagi ng mukha. S, then C. Then top dry. Before cleaning the torso, ask the patient's permission. Lagyan ng towel sa kamay. Then wetting. Make a rectangular mean. Inner, outer, literal, literal axillary. Soaping. Interior, exterior, lateral, lateral axillary. Rinsing. Interior, exterior, lateral, lateral axillary. Top dry. Umuulit ng towel. Soaping. Then rinsing. Then top dry. Tapos na. Gawin ulit ito sa kabilang braso. Towel. Wetting. Interior, posterior, lateral, lateral axillary. Soaping. Anterior, posterior, lateral, lateral axillary. Rinsing. Anterior, posterior, lateral, lateral axillary. Top dry. Then towel ulit. Then soaping. Rinsing. Top dry. For cleaning the torso, ask the patient's permission. Wetting. Rectangular knee. Anterior, posterior, lateral, lateral axillary. Soaping. Anterior, posterior, lateral, lateral. Rinsing. Anterior, posterior, lateral, lateral. Top dry. Before we proceed to perineal care, ask for patient permission. Do the perineal care using gloves and not to touch the perineal area with your bare hands. Get a cotton ball wet, then begin. Get a cotton ball, Mons pubis, labia minora, discard. Mons pubis, labia majora, discard. Mons pubis, clitoris to anus, discard. Then pat dry. If the patient is male, get a cotton ball then wet and wipe in circular motion pababa. Discard. Discard. Then pat dry. Let's proceed sa legs. Lagyan ng towel. Wetting. Rectangular knee. Anterior, posterior, lateral, lateral axillary. Soaping. Anterior, posterior, lateral, lateral axillary. Rinsing. Interior, posterior, lateral, lateral axillary. Top dry. Then kuha ulit ng towel. Soaping. Rinsing. Then pat dry. At gawin ulit ito sa kanyang kabilang binti. Lagyan ng towel. Wetting. rectangular knee, anterior, posterior, lateral, lateral axillary. Soaping, anterior, posterior, lateral, lateral axillary. Rinsing, anterior, posterior, lateral, lateral axillary. Top dry. Then lagyan ulit ng towel. Soaping, rinsing, then top dry. Okay na, B. Then sa likod, panatang makabayan position, lupang hinirang, cross legs, then tagilid, mandinis, then ibalik si patient. Assuming na nabihisa na si patient, tanggalin na yung itaas yung top sheet, then tanggalin yung towel. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat sa panonood.